Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Audacity in Android. A lot of people actually asked me about Android version of Audacity, but there are no Android version available of Audacity. So in this tutorial I will show you how to install Windows version in Android using Emulator. It's gonna be a quick tutorial and it's gonna be very interesting. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you have to download Exagear Emulator for Android. I'll give its link in video description box, so you can download it from here. Okay, so once you have downloaded, go to File Manager, and you will find it in XAPK file. I already make a tutorial on it, how to install XAPK file. Once again, I'm going to show you how to install this type of file. Okay, so first of all, select it and go to Rename, and rename it to XAPK to RAR. Now go to application and open RAR application for extract this file. You can download this type of application from Play Store. Okay, so I'm gonna extract it. Select the destination path where you want to save it. Okay, so click on OK and it will take some time for extracting process. Okay, so once again go to your file manager and go to the folder where you extract it and tap on APK file for install it. Once you have installed it successfully, then tap on done, and now go to this Android folder and copy this AUBB file. Now go to your system Android folder and paste it here, and well done, this emulator installed successfully. Okay, now go to back and open any browser, and here search for Audacity. Open this official website. Here click on download Audacity. And select for Windows, and finally here click on Audacity installer. Okay, once you have downloaded, then close this browser and open your Exagear application. Here click on this corner and go to manage containers, and here tap on these three dots, then tap on Run Explorer. Okay, after open it, here you'll find your Audacity application. Just double tap on it for install. Tap on OK. Next, and finally tap on install. Okay, it will take some time for installing process. Once again tap on next, and finally finish. After install it, you have to launch it from your C drive. So just go to C drive, program files, Audacity, and here double tap on exe file for launch it. I don't have a good configuration in my mobile phone, so wait some times. Now here you can recording, editing, anything as you want. Okay, I'm gonna open a new project. And one more thing, you will face a problem when you use it in mobile phone. The voice will become much bigger than as usual. So what do you have to do? Just change their project rate from here. Change it to 22,050, and you can also use 32,000 Hz. These changes actually make your voice normal. But when you use it for recording, again change it to 44,100, otherwise your sound will be damaged. If you want to get more ideas about Audacity, you can watch my previous tutorial. And if you want to get more videos in this topic, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.